So hey my loves, what's up? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So if you've been posting consistently on your channel, but then you've not yet accumulated enough views to help you get your 4,000 watch hours, or you've not yet accumulated enough watch hours to help you get your channel monetized, there's this secret that I'll be sharing with you that will help you to get your 4,000 watch hours before you know what's going on. And this secret, guys, it works in my other channel. I use this in getting my 1,000 subscribers and my 4K watch hours. And I'll recommend you do the same thing if you're aiming to get your channel monetized before the end of the day. Now, you need to start going live. If your regular video has not been helping you to gain this enough watch hour, then you have to start live streaming, because live streams go a very long way in achieving this thing. And I'm going to show you how you can live stream to get your 4,000 watch hours before the end of the year and you get your channel monetized. Okay, now to get started, you need just three things. One is your mobile phone, two, your browser, and three, a very strong data connection. I said what I said. I'll be using what we call the Restream app. Restream is a platform that allows you to stream from your browser and connect your social media account, and this thing allows you to stream for long hours that will help you in accumulating watch hours. The good thing about this streaming platform is that it comes with massive views, tons of subscribers, and lots of watch hours. I said what I said. So I'm walking you through how you can set up your streaming account, that is your Restream account, and how you can also start live streaming from that account you've created. Okay, so you'll be able to do this thing I mentioned. Rest assured that before you know what is going on, and depending on how many watch hours you already accumulated so far, you'll be able to accumulate the remaining one before the end of this day. Tested and trusted. Now stay with me as I walk you through the process. Okay. Okay guys, so this is what you have to do. First of all, make sure that your data connection is on, is strong and stable. Okay, once you do that, you go to your Chrome browser. If you're using an iPhone, I would recommend you to make use of Chrome and not Safari. Okay, you go to your Chrome and type restream.io, restream.io, and you wait for the page to load properly. Once the page loads, this is what you're going to see. Okay, you're going to see something like kind of for free and view plans. I already have a Restream account, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I have to be creating a brand new account for this. Okay, so what I will have to do is to sign up with my email. So I'll have to ignore this first one that is here and come down to this place and put in the email address that I want to use for this particular account. After which I'll create a password for it. Okay, so this is the password I want to use for this. After which I'll click on sign up for free. I don't want to explore the plans that they have yet. Wait for the page to load. Okay, now you see select your plan. Calm down. We have the annual plan, we have the monthly plan, and I already signed up for the free plan. So I wouldn't be using any of these plans that I'm seeing here. I don't really need them for whatever I need to do, because the free plan will already give us exactly what we need to work with. I'll close it, and this is create a new stream, upload videos or record. Now I'll have to, first of all, before I proceed with any other thing here, I have to make sure that I've gone to my email address to confirm the email that they must have sent to my email address before I start creating anything. I am back to this place. So now this is where the work starts. Okay, what I'll do is I'll have to click on this place that said new stream. I'll click on new stream, and then I'll see a list of options. Stream directly from your browser, go live with the OBS, schedule your video file, stream a playlist, record audio, and stuff. What we are going to be working with is the first option that says Restream Studio, stream directly from your browser. When you click on that particular place, it will take you to the Restream Studio. So right now I'll have to put in my name, the name I would want to use for this streaming, and then click on Enter Studio. Once I click on Enter Studio, the page loads and I'll see something that looks like this. So there are options to use either the vertical aspect or the desktop aspect, but to make your live stream go far, reach a wider audience, you have to use the vertical live stream. and then you choose one of these vertical aspect ratios you're seeing. You're going to see welcome, you're going to see demo, but you have to click on add scene. Once you click on add scene, you see the option for the media. You click on media, and once you click on media, this is what you're going to show on your screen. So all you have to do is to select this particular vertical live stream aspect ratio and then click on add source. Add source helps you to go to your gallery to select a video. So click on video first. After clicking on video, it takes you to this place, a page where you have to choose a video. Now, we don't have any video on this streaming platform yet, so I'll have to upload a video directly from my gallery. So I have to click on upload a video, after which it takes me straight automatically to my gallery, and I'll choose the particular video I would want to upload on the Restream app. Okay, so I would want to choose this particular video that I know has a sound and upload it. Wait for it to upload, because after uploading, it will analyze the video and then process the video. After which is done processing, I will now have to click on the video. The video is already here. Now this is the point where I have to connect my YouTube channel by clicking on that cross icon that shows channel. Once I click on it, it will see you see the option for connecting my Facebook, my YouTube, the Twitter, and whatever. But what I want to connect is my YouTube account, so I have to click on the YouTube icon and then select channel from whatever you're seeing on the screen right now. After this, I click on connect YouTube. Then it will take me to a list of the email addresses that I have on my phone. And now I have to select the particular email that will be linked to the YouTube channel that I want to connect to the Restream platform. So this is the one I want to connect right now. So I'll click on it. It will bring this one out. Then after the whole blah 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 blah, I just have to click on continue. Once I click on continue, it starts connecting my YouTube channel with my Restream account. Restream wants access to Google account. I have to check the box right there. After which, click on continue. Once I click on continue, you will see a page that looks like this. My YouTube channel has been connected to my Restream account. Okay, so anytime I want to stream, I always have to go and make sure that I toggle that option on. Each time I want to stream, I must make sure that I toggle that button on. I'll click on save. So this is the point where I have to loop the video, rename it, and even if possible, mute the mic. Okay. So you want to rename it, I have to scroll down here, go to new scene, tap on the three dots, click on rename, and give it a name. Now this is not the name of the streaming video or whatever. This is just the name you want to give that particular video you uploaded. After this, I tap on the screen, and after tapping on the screen, I'll click on the three dots there you're seeing and then select loop. Now this is the point where you have to be extremely careful, okay? Now while this video is playing, whatever sound that happens on the video is happening on the live stream. And then if you look down, you're going to see a mic icon on the down left corner of the screen. Now what this does is whatever sound you still see in the background reflects on the video. So what you have to do is to mute it by tapping on that particular microphone. Once you tap on the mic, it mutes the sound. So whatever background sound or song playing there will not reflect on the live stream that's going on. After which you're done with this part, you click on go live. When you click on go live, once you click on go live, you see a page like this showing you to write the video title and the description. Now, where this is where you have to give the live stream a title. Maybe whatever that you feel like the live stream is all about, you type it there. So let's say something like dripping sounds of the water, ASMR, just something like that. At least it rhymes with the content of the video I uploaded. After which I give the video a description. Very important. And of course, you can post the relevant hashtags that will help in making the video go more viral and get more audience. Okay? After this point, you tap on the screen again. You see the option that shows next. Once you click on next, you see a page showing you start streaming. After clicking on start streaming, it shows a 3 second countdown. This 3 second countdown, at the end of the 3 seconds, your video starts live streaming automatically. And if you check on YouTube, you will also notice that you are live on YouTube. And when people start joining the live stream and watching your video, you're going to see the number just beside that countdown. The more people join, the more the number reflects on your screen. Whenever you feel like you want to end the live stream, you go on this bottom right corner, click on end stream. After clicking on end stream, it will ask you, are you sure you want to end the stream? Click on OK. Once you click on OK, the live stream automatically comes to an end. And once it comes to an end on the browser, it comes to an end on your YouTube channel too. Okay? As you're playing your video on loop, that loop helps you to continue playing the video. Ensure you stream for like a couple of hours to achieve a tangible result, maybe like 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Depending on how many views you're getting, you'll see progress. You can also decide to leave it for 11 hours, but make sure that it does not exceed 12 hours because the video might be taken down by YouTube. The moment that live stream ends, you're going to see how many watch hours and views you've accumulated so far from the live stream. Okay, good. In my next video, I'll be showing to you guys the pros and cons or those secrets that YouTubers don't mention about this streaming app. And I don't know whether they intentionally keep it to themselves. I'll be showing to you guys how exactly you should do this thing. Deeper secrets about this streaming that will enable you to get massive watch hours. It's not just about going to go and put a video on loop and you're going. There are other secrets attached to getting 90k, 100k views that will come with 500, 600, 1000 watch hours just in one single stream. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you're subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification so you don't miss a single thing. See you guys in the next video. Bye.